Fred, we're all about eliminating mistakes. We want our clients to make sure they learn from other people's mistakes, not their own. It saves them money that way.
We help different people different way. And here's an example. I helped a 79-year-old gentleman this last week who had lost his wife. We got him $81,000 of tax-free money in a line of credit growing at 3.7%. And this gentleman had been living on his Social Security, and he was scared he was going to run out of money. All of a sudden, he's got an additional $71,000, and it's getting bigger every year. That helps people.
That really helps our clients, Fred.
Another couple I worked with this week was 64 and 67, living in Duncanville, Texas. They had a $68,000 mortgage. They were paying $545 a month. We paid that off for them. We saved them $6,540 every year that's still in their pocket. We put another, not quite $30,000 in that line of credit for them, and they can draw that money out as they need it, whenever they need it.
You're right, Fred. I like that.
Another gentleman I helped this week was living in Houston, Texas. He happened to be 80 years old. He was trying to live on his Social Security, and he was drawing down his savings. We paid off his house. We put almost $173,000 in a line of credit for him, and that money's there now that he can draw on as he needs it. And if he doesn't need it, that goes to his kids or his heirs.
That's a good idea. We need to use that more often.
Another couple I helped were both 79. Very nice people. They're living in East Texas over in the town of Tyler. They had a house that came in at $205,000. They were still making mortgage payments and struggling. We paid off their mortgage. They no longer have to write a check every month. That gives them more disposable money. Folks, you got to realize this program helps different people different ways.
You know what, Fred? We're all about eliminating mistakes.
I had a couple over in Arlington, Texas. She was 70 and he was 72. They had a $110,000 mortgage, and they were drawing money out of their savings every month to pay that off. I could not get them enough money to totally pay everything. They were actually short $2,000. They brought $2,000 to the table, and guess what they did? They eliminated a $600 a month house payment.
It saves them money that way.
Norman worked with a couple in West Texas, city of Abilene. They called me very concerned. They were in the process of taking out a home equity loan to pay off some credit cards they had. They're on a fixed income, both of them on retirement. They've got some savings, but they really didn't want to cash in their IRAs. I explained to them that if they did a home equity loan, they were going to have to make monthly payments on that. They were going to be charged some interest. Instead, we did a reverse mortgage for them. We paid off those credit cards, and we put them in a line of credit. When they got through with the math, the gentleman looked at it and he says, you know, over the life of that equity loan and what you saved us on the credit cards, you saved us over $90,000.
We want our clients to make sure they learn from other people's mistakes, not their own.
Reverse mortgages are sourced by private companies, and you should be wary because there is very little government protection.
Wrong again. KAAM's reverse mortgage loan officer, NormanWilliams, will be the first to tell you that his industry is one of the most heavily regulated in the country, specifically by the FHA and HUD. These heavy regulations are designed to protect seniors, protect you from being taken advantage of. NormanWilliams knows this better than anyone, for not only is he a reverse mortgage loan officer and has a reverse mortgage on his own home, his company has brokered hundreds and hundreds of reverse mortgages, all of which he has overseen. This means he will answer any question you can throw at him because he knows the process from all sides. Give Norm a call today and find out how a reverse mortgage can enrich your retirement. Call 877-528-4429. Senior Reverse Mortgage Services, Inc. is an equal opportunity lender. NMLS number 257913.